What's up, friends? And Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the push to talk in Fortnite. So let me show you some. But once you're in Fortnite, once you click your profile in the upper right, you will see the mic option right here. And here you can go ahead and you can change this. This is what is called open mic. But you can go ahead and you can turn on, for example, push to talk so that this is not open at all times. But you can just, for example, press a button to enable the mic when you only want to speak. So at all times your mic will be muted, and only when you want to, you can press the button to activate it. So let me show you how. You can either go to the settings from here and go into the communication settings, or from here you can just simply click and open communication settings. It's going to take you right in. So anywhere, any option you choose, you can go there. Now here you have the voice chat method. It is set to open mic. That's why you see your mic is showing open like that. But if you switch this to push to talk and click and apply, you can go ahead and just go back. And once you click your profile now, you can see the mic is mute automatically. And it says basically you press Y when you want to open it. And so you basically press Y whenever you want to use it, and you'll be able to use it whenever you press Y. And so that's pretty much it, guys. So that's pretty much all that you have to do. Very easy and very simple, guys.